Hi guys, I hope your day's been good and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing my slime collection. So I only have 3 at the moment, but they're all different colours. So first we're going to start with an orange one. So it actually comes with this little tiger. He's called Rory. On the box it says anyway. So when you open it, it's a really bright slime. It's very pokey and very actually satisfying when you sit and play with it. And it's a very stretchy, like very. And you can actually make bubbles with it if you try, although I'm not very good at it. Oh, let me show you guys. I don't know, I don't even think I can do it with any slime. So yeah, it's very poppy, it's very pokey and stretchy. So I would probably rate this slime a 10. Okay, so that's number 1 done. Now we're going to move on to a green one. So this time the green one comes with a little character, and on the box it says his name is Greedy. So yeah, now we're going to try open this one. Ooh. Oh yes, okay. So this one, the colour's kind of okay, but yeah, it's not as stretchy. Okay, but I don't really, it's nice, but I would probably rate this one an 8 out of 10. Okay, so let's pop that one in. So the last slime we're going to be reviewing today is the pink one. Comes with a pink elephant. When you read the box, it says her name's Anxious. So let's open this. So this slime is actually has blue sparkles in it. Don't know if you guys can see it. But it has blue little sparkles in it. This one is probably my favourite. I love the texture. It's very stretchy. Pokey too, which is good as well. And it's not sticky. The others weren't either, but I think I really like this one. I think this one's my best slime, and I'm going to rate this one a 10 as well. And the little figure is so cute too, so that helps the rating too, even though I would already give it a 10. And the blue sparkles, I love them. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay safe. Bye guys.